Hello, I'm Richard Telling and I'm from Falcon Coaches in Byfleet, Surrey. We currently run 55 buses. All of them are Alexander Dennis E200 MMCs. These 13 buses are our first zero emission electric buses. I chose our first electric buses to be the Enviro200EVs. Just love the product, like the futuristic looks, the new styling, and the relationship with Alexander Dennis is really good and amazing. So it just worked to continue that with our electric buses. Finished to our specification, exactly how we wanted it. We've got bespoke leather seats or half leather seats, wood effect flooring, coloured coordinated hand poles, and just everything is finished really well. Absolutely love it.